This product was sent to me from a brand.
This is the wireless microphone. We're gonna unbox it and we're actually gonna test out the audio and see if it lives up to its name. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. So here we go. Let's set this up a little bit and we're gonna see. Have this on our shirt. All right, so let's walk around a little bit here. Hope you guys are having a good day. It comes in a nice carrying pouch, which is, you know, good to keep it protected, good for traveling. You got all your accessories up top in here. This is actually really cool, really compact too. So you charge the hub right through here with the Type-C cable that I provide, and this is it. Oh, this is really cool. Make sure you peel off all the plastic that is blocking the charging ports. So you're gonna have this blue plastic on all the charging ports. Go ahead and remove that and then put it back in the hub after you do so. And that's gonna allow it to charge up if it needs to be charged. We can see there's a little bit of light right, I don't know if you guys can see the orange light there showing it's charging. So we're gonna do that with all of them. All right, for the unit, you're gonna go ahead and turn it on. You're gonna see the green flashing. We're gonna go ahead and take our mic right here and press and hold. Now this is gonna light up. See if you guys, it's gonna be a little tough for you guys to see. It's just, you know, the camera lens in the daylight is a little tough to see, but it shows icons and we can actually tap on here and select. So where is this at? There it is. You can do vlog, live, denoise, rev, sound card, and more. So you can have Bluetooth. We connected through Bluetooth. So now we just need to bring up our camera and we're gonna test out the audio. So I noticed connecting it this way gives the best quality of sound. So basically, this is how the unit looks, like this, and you stick in the Type-C that they give you, then stick this in your phone or device, and then record. I've found that has been giving me the best audio, you know, versus other Bluetooth and that stuff. So I think that's how we're gonna do it for now on, but thanks for watching. So this is wearing the microphone on our shirt. And now we're gonna wear it on our pocket. So now we have it on our pocket. See how it picks up sound by being on our short pocket right down here. And yeah, we'll see how it sounds. See if it feels good or not.